I'm here with Karen, product marketing for Forge, and Adarsh, head of Forge. So welcome, thank you very much for talking to me. Everyone's talking about AI and context right now. We've seen it at the keynote, and context is key. So what makes the teamwork graph special, and why should customers choose the teamwork graph as their context layer?
Absolutely. What really makes teamwork graphs special is our customers and the work that we do. Atlassian has over 20 years of experience in the teamwork business. It's the central hub, that system of record for where customers from all types of industries are doing their most important work. And all of that context goes into the teamwork graph. It makes it more intelligent. So all of the experiences that run on top of the teamwork graph then provide better results and a better AI experience for our customers.
Yeah, and to add to that as well, I feel like the biggest difference when now that all the AI models are being commoditized is the context. So with graph, especially not just Atlassian data, also all the data of all the apps, marketplace apps, and all the other apps around Atlassian as well, it all brings together. So that becomes it more powerful.
And with the teamwork graph, MCP and CLI that was just announced today, how do you envision customers to use it? So where do they work from?
Yeah, I think if you can see what is happening in the industry, the interfaces are changing. Now, initially it used to be just the UI where people used to come and hang out and do all the controls, etc. Now the whole interfaces could be a CLI, it could be an agent somewhere completely outside Atlassian, it could be on Claude Code, wherever they are. I think MCP kind of helps to bridge that gap. It meets customers where they are based on their use case. So it becomes a very fundamental building block required for the future. You have a good amount of customers. If you look at our MCP traffic, it's growing, which means there's a good segment of users who don't come to the product for the UI sake. So in that way, any feature, any product, we need to build it for both human and agents. So MCP is the language and the protocol that is used for those things.
So with agent-to-agent communication coming, can you say a few words about the future? What's coming for Atlassian customers and for Google?
So if you dial back a few years, API was the big conversation. How do you open up API and API tokens? I feel in that way now MCP, agent-to-agent communication, all that becomes like a norm on how people work and communicate.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.